guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica, and in today's video, as you can probably tell by the title, if by God's grace I was able to get the right horse to define what I'll be doing today. But basically what I'll be doing today is that I will carry out an experiment on 4 different gels and 4 different color defining hairstyles to find out which one gives me the best hold and the best definition. So make sure to stay with me till the end of the video. Before we continue, I want to say a big welcome to those who have visited my channel for the first time. I am so grateful. Thank you guys so much for clicking. Now I want you guys to do one special thing for me from a sister to another sister from another mother, and that is subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button that is to your right hand side if I'm correct, and click on the bell beside it. Click on the first bell that has the extra stuffs on it, and you're done. Just 3 seconds, 3 seconds, maybe 4 or 5. Anyways, it's not going to take your time. Just click on the 2 things, just 3 clicks and you are done. You're done, finished. Alright guys, with that being said, it is time to begin the video proper. So as of right now, I have done the application and I'm about to take it down, but I will switch to voiceover to show you guys what I did in the application. Starting off with a freshly washed hair, I will moisturize the section as I go. The first product I'm using is the Curl Cream from African Pride. After applying the cream, I will take my time to work it into my strands. Then when I'm done, I will apply some oil to seal in the moisture. When I'm done with the oil, the last thing I'll be doing is to tangle the section with a tangle teaser. Now for this section, I'll be doing the 3-strand twist, popularly known as braids. So I went ahead and parted the entire section to make things easier for me. Next is the Eco Styler Gel. After repeating the same remoisturizing process and parting my hair, I'll begin my flat twist. And if you want me to do a tutorial on how to make flat twists, please tell me in the comment section. For the third section, I'll be using the cream of Nature's Nut. Now for this section, I made sure that it was soaking wet because the product tends to flake a lot. Here, I'll be doing the shingling method, which involves you smoothing the product into your strands. This method involves a lot of patience as you have to take your time to smoothing the products into your strands for the best results. Wow guys, can you see the definition? I never believed I could get such definitions without doing a twist out. When I was done, I did a loose 2-strand twist just to minimize how much the gel touched my skin. I forgot to mention earlier, I further parted my section in 2 so I can work effectively. For the last section, I will be using my homemade flaxseed gel. I will leave a link in the description box that will take you to a video I did on how to make it. For this section, I'll be doing the raking method, which simply involves you running your fingers in between your strands. Here you also have to be patient to make sure the gel gets onto all your strands. So one thing I later realized was that when you use your tangle teaser or your wide tooth comb, it can also count as raking. I'm not sure though, but that was just my observation. Here we can see the definition that this one also gave me. Out of the 4 hairstyles, I think the last 2 were the most promising. Hopefully it will come out well at the end. For this section, I also did a 2-strand twist. Okay, it's time to begin the unraveling. Why am I not excited? I should be positive. Okay guys, so this is what I have going on my head right now. My front sections are completely dried, I think, but the back is just, I don't know what's wrong with it. This is a day after my application. I air dried though, so maybe that's what is making it angry. I don't know. I don't have a hooded dryer and I'm too lazy to hold up a hand dryer for hours trying to dry my hair, so I prefer to just leave it to air dry. Okay, shall we begin? I think I will start with this one. I'm scared when I'm stretching it. it's time to take it down. This place looks like it's going to come out well. Be positive. Okay, so I will apply some. What is wrong with this? I'm right back. Okay, so I will apply some oil onto my palms just to give it the extra shine, and what else? Just to fulfill all righteousness. So rub, and okay. So I will take them down gently. Okay. See, this is my issue with flat twists. It just tends to get all tangled up. Right from when it was in the twist, I knew it wasn't going to come out well. I can see some frizz going on here, but the other sides are pretty defined. Okay, let's just continue. Alright guys, I'm done taking down the twist and I am not impressed. You can tell that the gel gives definition and hold, but the hairstyle just messed it up. So for me, the best time to do a flat twist is when you're making a hairstyle that doesn't involve gel. But if you know you want to apply gel to your hair, want the curls to come out without frizz and popping, flat twist is a no-no. Don't use it. Don't. You can see what's going on here. You can tell that the gel gave me definition and also gave me hold, because at the time I got frustrated while trying to take down the twist and still maintain the curls. I was like, no, what? Just forget it. I'm taking it down. So that's what I was doing. But still, you can still see some definition and hold. So the gel worked well, but the hairstyle was nah. So I will just clip this aside and go to the next one. Okay, so moving on to the next section. This is the section where I did my 3-strand twist. So for this, when I saw people doing 3-strand twists for their twist out, I'm like, how is that even possible? Because for the flat twist, that is just 2 strands, it's giving me frizz and all that, and you are doing 3 strands. How is that supposed to work? Well, let's find out. So I have my rat tail comb here. Am I getting it? I think I'm getting it. And okay, let's begin taking it down. Okay, it seems to be going well actually. Let me not speak too soon. Just said it, don't speak too soon. Careful, Jessica. Careful. Seriously. So I'll just sit here and be picking this one by one. Patience. Feels like a science project. Man, I don't think this is. There's a. But it's already. What? There's nothing here. Okay. Let me think about my life for a second. Because I spent 2 hours doing this. And let's see about your life. Okay, I'm back. Carefully and gently. 1 line at a time. I think I made the braids too tight, like, because when I saw them taking down their 3-strand twist, I was like, they were fast, or did they fast forward it? I can't stress my brain too much, please. do I have? Oh my god, 4, 5. Oh, Jesus. I give up. I'm taking down the way I would take my braids normal. Well, okay. Okay. Do you see what I'm seeing? I'm not angry anymore. Okay, based on what I'm seeing right now, I think there's hope for the future. I can see some phrases here caused by me. But compared to this one, I think the 3-strand twists are better. My advice for those doing this would be to make your braid loose, a little bit loose, because I think what's affecting mine right now is the fact that the braids are tight. Because even trying to fight, the tightness, it seems to be well defined. So imagine you doing it with looser braids that you can easily take down. It's going to be much better. So I'm going to try that experiment myself. If I get it, I will share it. It probably might not come out as a full video because I won't be expecting it, but maybe as an Insta story, I'll just put it on Instagram, or maybe on the channel, just to put it out there, But just try to do loose braids while doing this. Please, if you try this out and it works well, leave it in the comment section for us to see, for me to see, in case I've not tried it out before then. It's time to go to the back. I think it was where I used the flaxseed gel. Look at how hard it is. So I used a lot of it, and you can feel my hair being a little bit. It's not dry as in badly dry, as in bad dry.
That you can.
But it's dry as in dry. Figure it out. Okay. Ooh. Are you? Let me draw closer. Hold on. Are you people seeing? Ooh, yeah. Do not glory yet. Okay. I'm not excited. Ooh, yeah. Oh my good lord. Oh my god, snowflakes. But just ignore that. Ooh. Oh shit, I wish you guys can see what I'm seeing right now. Sometimes the camera just doesn't do justice to. Oh, you. Oh shit. Ow. It's at this juncture you can say your calls are popping. Pop. Ooh. Okay, let's go to my friend's step. Let me see better ones. Okay. I'm calm. Oh Lord. When was the last time I saw my cause being defined? Oh shit. You see? Oh, I'm shocked for words. Look at this. And it's not yet dry. This one's not dry. No judging. I'm happy. I am happy. Let me finish. Alright guys, I'm sure you can probably tell what my closing remarks. And that is the fact that if you are looking for the best curl defining style to do, go for either the shingling method or the breaking method. And again, one other method is the 2-strand twist. For me, that is my go-to hairstyle whenever I'm doing a twister, because you don't have to suffer from these things. But right now, I've been hearing of shingling and breaking. I'm like, can you see the amount of hair on this head? You want me to take my time too? But it's worth it, because if I can come out with this kind of result, I don't mind spending hours, because doing this style and doing this style also takes hours, and I'm not seeing good results. But if I can spend extra hours doing this one and come out with great results, I'm happy. Case settled. So the issue right now is how to style my hair, because you all can see the nest that is going on here. Different, very different, beautifully different, handsomely different. Okay guys, I'm done, and this was the best hairstyle I could come up with. It's cute, right? Please don't do this to yourself. I'm not going anywhere, so I can't be bothered. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I was able to reduce your stress, even if it's just by a little bit. Little drops of water, they say, makes a mighty ocean. So there you go. For the gels, I didn't really speak on them, but overall I would say they all gave good definitions and good holds. The one that performed least was the Eco Styler. I really don't know what's wrong with Eco Styler these days. Like, I don't know. It is my best job, but these days it's just, maybe it has issues with me. We'll resolve that later in our closets. Don't worry. So, and for the hairstyles, you guys saw what happened. Flat twist, no. 3-strand twist, you have to be really careful. Then for your shingling method and your raking method, enjoy yourself. Do what you want to do, and your style is going to come out well. Hope you guys had fun. If you are still not yet subscribed, come on, what are you waiting for? Please do that and let the Lord bless you. So don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from it. Now in the comment section, if you have tried any of these hairstyles and you got different results from me, feel free to leave it in the comment section. And if there are other hairstyles that you feel would do the job, feel free to leave it also. And again, if you like me to do this kind of videos where I compare different products with the same content, tell me in the comment section and your girl will be there. Alright guys, that wraps up the whole video. Thank you so much for making it to the end. I love you all. Bye.